The electric hair clipper was invented in 1919. It was the first clipper with a motor in the actual unit, allowing the barber to cut hair at quite a clip. Hairstyles may change, but this device is still on the cutting edge. These days, hair clipper casings are made out of heavy-duty plastic. An automated mold melts and shapes the plastic material into casing parts. Meanwhile, a robot picks up brass contacts and places them in fixtures. A plastic switch is then attached to each contact. A blast of air sends the assembled piece to a bin. Here, a robot slides a plastic spool onto a mandrel, then anchors copper wire to it. The wire is wound around the spool more than 2,000 times to make part of the electric relay that will drive the blades. Pulleys keep the wire fed at an even tension. Next, robots work on the clipper's lower casing. One installs a blade slide for adjusting the blade, and another attaches the lever that controls that slide. An automated screwdriver fastens everything together. The clipper assembly is then on its way to have a metal arm installed. This piece will move the cutting blade, and for that, it will need a couple of springs. Next, the switch assembly goes in, and then the arm is screwed into place. Workers install a screw for adjusting the power setting. And now they fit the copper wire coil into the lower housing where it will drive that metal arm. A power cord is run from the switch to the coil. And now the clipper's inner workings are complete. Over at another station, a punch press stamps out clipper blades. The blades are toothless to start. But after a good washing and heat treatment, they head over to another station to get some teeth. A worker pops a blade into a fixture to hold it steady. Then a jagged cylindrical cutter carves the teeth. Coolant keeps the process from overheating and compromising the integrity of the steel. Each hair clipper has two blades. The first one has cutting teeth which moves over the second, a larger stationary blade that ensnares the hairs so that they can be cut. Next, the company's logo is printed onto the clipper's lid. And the lid is attached to the casing that holds the electrical components. Workers mount the blades on the head of the clipper for that double-edged cutting action. And finally, each clipper is tuned for optimum performance by adjusting that power screw that was installed earlier. These clippers come in a kit that includes some additional accessories for those consumers who want to try their hand at a little home grooming. Now, these electric hair clippers are ready to get buzzing. With those sharp blades, they'll make short work of any hairy situation.